Welcome to the friend of new Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app here and click enable in settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap to OK and again OK. After that, just go back into the application and click here to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And that's it. As can you see, the process is finished, and now we should go somewhere, for example into the app search. And here we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and this keyboard is also close to the iPhone 1 at all of the emojis here. So as can you see, they are really similar. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.